Hi there, everyone. Welcome to a short DI or direct instruction on currents and waves. So, we are still on the unit on water systems, but then the idea about currents and waves. So, just imagine this: just as the blood constantly circulates through your body, the waters of the world's oceans don't stay in one place. Every drop of water in the ocean circulates around the world. Winds on the ocean surfaces whip up waves and make currents. These currents swirl in giant whirlpools known as gyres. Now, under the surface, deep water currents also move water. Eventually, surface waves and currents meet with underwater currents. Here's how. In the North Atlantic Ocean, the water at the surface freezes. Salt leaches into the water below. The salt and the cold cause warm water surface to become heavy and sink to the bottom. There it moves slowly. Finally, it reaches warmer waters where it rises to the surface again. Of course, this process can take hundreds of years. Now, some fun facts on this too. Winds in the northern hemisphere drive the waters in a clockwise direction. In the southern hemisphere, the winds drive the waters counterclockwise. Now, the winds also drive warm water from the tropics toward the poles. They drive cold water from the Arctic toward the equator. Now, in a storm, waves sometimes move in opposite directions. When these waves collide, they can create rogue waves that rise 100 meters or 100 feet or more out of the sea, sinking ships in their path. Now, what do we have on this two topics, currents and waves? So there is an associated assignment that needs to be turned in by a specified time. So let's see what is in store for you. So here, one slide that needed to be filled in, the vocabulary. Again, match the definition to the word, to the vocabulary word. So I have here some definitions. So drag and drop feature again. Compare. So drag the boxes to fill out the chart below. Okay. So we have this. Where would it go? What is it? What causes it? Okay. Now answer it. Again, match the answer to the questions about Karen. So again, you have here your word bank. So drag and drop what fits in. So the idea about the waves. Again, here, something about how it goes up and down. So you can use this website or any website of your choice so that you can find the answer or definition of each wave part below. Okay. Now, something about surface currents. Now, again, web search. Again, use this website. Feel free again to use any website of your own to answer the questions. Again, another web search, and then describe. So look at this picture. Explain how it shows the Coriolis effect. So this is a new word. What is it? Deep water currents. Again, a sorting slide. So where would it go? So what is salinity? What would answer that? So pick the choices from the right side. Now finish the sentence. Identify if density increases or decreases in each scenario. Again, density from previous lessons, it would be mass over volume, okay? So as salinity decreases, density what? Increases, decreases? Then try and finish the sentence there. Now, again, fill in the blanks. Again, you have here the word bank below, drag and drop to the correct boxes. Image search. Okay, again, use the power of the internet. Now, there is an add-on topic here about the water cycle. Now, I have a separate DI or direct instruction about the water cycle. You can go through it in your own pace, in your own time. Try and check that out. But there is a short video clip about the water cycle here. And of course, you're going to fill out the video clip form. So if I click on this, so you would be presented to this, okay? So try and watch this. And after that, you would be having, oops, what do I have? No, that's not the correct one. You're going to just fill in the next set of Google Slides. That would be something about this one. Yeah, so I'm sure this is a familiar form again. Whenever we watch any science clip, usually Bill Nice, then you fill this out, okay? So that's the end of the assignment to be turned in. So that would be all our short DI on currents and waves plus the water cycle. Okay, so that's it for now. Ciao.